What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food gadget and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get to the agenda. So as you guys see in the thumbnail, today we are going to try out coconut flour. The inspiration came from my brother. He is a pescatarian, and he taught me that there is a difference between pescatarians, vegetarians, and vegans. And I grew up always eating white flour or whole wheat flour, but I've never seen coconut flour or heard of it, and I've never came across coconut flour. Okay, and so he told me that I should try it out. The only bit of difference is the milk that we add in there, but rather than that, I guess the way that they make coconut flour is that they take the meat of the coconut, they cut it out, they dry it up, and they pretty much grind it up into a flour. That's what you see here. So I was enticed and pretty much wanted to know what would it taste like, and I was trying to figure out what should I make with it. And I figured, hey, growing up, cornbread is a staple in our family. It is a comfort food, and it's something that you can get away with breakfast, a snack for breakfast, a late night snack, even for lunch. So we're gonna go ahead and make this coconut or this honey coconut flour cornbread. All right, you guys. Oh, well, and before that, I want to go ahead and smell this. So it even smells nutty. It smells beautiful. So I want to know what it really tastes like. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and get ready to make this cornbread. All right. Okay, family, in your mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, yes, 3 unbeaten eggs, and we're going to add 3/4 cups of milk just so that I can see how it's working. And at this time, family, I'm going to pour in the rest of my milk, which will make it 1 3/4 cups of milk. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice whisk. Now, I did do this off camera, family. I am sorry, but don't forget to add in the 3 tablespoons of melted butter. That looks great. Let's go ahead and transfer this over to our baking dish. I went ahead and coated my baking dish with butter. This is going to give you crispy edges. You can do that if you wish. We're going to go ahead and spread this around, family. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Depending on your oven, we're going to allow this to cook for 30 to 45 minutes. And this is what we're looking like after 35 minutes, family. You did this. Beautiful, buttery, and crispy. At this time, we're going to go ahead and add in our honey butter glaze. This is going to taste beautiful, family. And before we get to this taste test, quick facts. Is coconut flour healthier than white or wheat flour? Coconut is naturally low in digestible carbohydrates, contains no gluten, and is cheaper than most other nut flours. It is loaded with health-promoting fiber and other nutrients. It contains more protein than enriched white flour, rye flour, and cornmeal, and has about as much protein as whole wheat flour. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Alright, family, so now we're here. We got the honey coconut cornbread made. It smells nutty. It looks beautiful. And the only difference I would say is that I had to add 1 3/4 cups of milk instead of 1 1/4 cup. So for those who don't know, that's about a 1/2 cup difference. And I will say the difference of it being is that coconut is actually, like they said, is meat of the coconut, so it's a little bit more, what do you say, dense. It's a little heavier, so 1 1/4 cup didn't work, but 1 3/4 did, and it came out beautiful. It's very soft, it smells nutty, and it does smells like coconut. So we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test here, all right? It is nutty, and you do get the coconut flavor, and that is beautiful. Sorry you guys, but yes, this is very beautiful. I think that I would actually prefer this, just by taste alone. I think I would prefer this over white flour. However, even when it comes down to whole wheat flour, I think I would use this before wheat flour as like a cake or a dessert, because this is very beautiful. As you can see here, it's kind of crumbly, it's soft, it's very fluffy, and it's filling. Buttery. You can taste all the components in there. I can taste the salt. I don't know. I never had coconut flour, so I guess it complements all of the flavors that I'm actually tasting. I can taste the butter, the hint of salt, the honey, the actual coconut. It's a whole different flavor. This will bring a whole different game if you're having a potluck. You bring this to the table, man, they're gonna think this is something totally different. Organic. They're gonna think it's organic. So yes, if you've never tried coconut cornbread, I would most definitely give this a try. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this on camera. I'm gonna eat this too. No. I got some in my beer. Gone. I have some people saying every time Dean tastes something on camera, he don't finish it. He always say he's gonna finish it off. So from this point on, whatever I taste test, I'm gonna finish it on camera. How about that? So now we have no problem, all right? So if you guys like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.